Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to withdraw money from an ATM with Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining so that you will be able to follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So of course, first you will have to have your Revolut website or app ready and make sure that it is available in your country so that you will be able to proceed to the next steps. Then, after logging into your account with your credentials, you will, of course, ensure that you have balance and then go to the nearest ATM and then insert the card or use contactless. Then, you will enter the PIN and select withdraw cash and choose the amount. Then you will complete transaction and then cash dispense. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.